Official Pokémon 3-ring album for storing and organizing trading cards in 3-ring punched card holding pages. Features the iconic Pikachu design and is compatible with Ultra Pro card storage pages. Embedment-style cover with vibrant, full-color printed artwork. Model number 15106. I choose you, Pikachu. This accessory feature the shockingly cute Pokémon, Pikachu. Bring Pikachu along on your Pokémon journey with this album. Durable album with reinforced 2D rings. 3-ring album holds Ultra Pro 9 pocket pages. Top reviews from the United States. Good binder. No inner pockets for papers, doesn't seem intended for school or anything. Good for storing my Pokémon cards in 9 pocket pages. Only ever sits on a shelf unless I'm adding or removing cards, which eat gently so they don't get damaged while doing that, so I can't speak for how durable it is if you give it to someone who would be rough with it or leave it lying around for anyone to knock over or step on.